taking the Harley for its first service, but I've got to stop and get a coffee first. So it's the first time I'm riding with this hammock seat, and I've got to tell you, it's going to take a little bit of getting used to. It actually lifts you a lot higher up on the bike, so I feel like, I don't know, I'm sitting on top of the bike, I'm not sitting in the bike, I don't know, it's...
Nick, give him your wallet.
What for?
He's got a knife.
That's not a knife. That's a knife.
Harley-Davidson on the Harbour Bridge. Now we can do a Harley on the Anzac Bridge. So I just want to share something with you actually. We're at a place called St. Peter's in Sydney, and I'm going to turn the camera around in a minute. It's a very iconic pub. But that pub right over there is called the Town and Country Hotel, and that is the pub where Aussie icon musician Slim Dusty first played the song.
I love to have it.
Most famous iconic songs, you know, for Australia. Awesome. God, I love it. Like a toy store. It's like a boys' toy store, and girls, but it's like, you know, how can you not love coming to a Harley dealership? We're just waiting for the bike to cool down before they take it in for its first service. okay, there you go, 4 hours at the dealership. Love a Harley dealership, but 4 hours, you know, it's probably 2.5 hours, I'd say, probably 2.5 hours for the service. And then we were just fucking around trying to find the right bars, and unfortunately, I just feel the guys didn't have enough experience, to be honest, in parts. You know, this guy's been there for 2 or 3 weeks. Clearly no one's trained him up like they should have, and yeah, I got to deal with the guy. Lovely guy, but yeah, unfortunately, training your own time, don't train on the customer's time, like, it's just not cool. But didn't sort out the handlebar problems, so anyway, we'll move on. Apparently it's about an 8-hour install. So for bars to be put on these road kits, it's about an 8-hour install, so I've been told. So that'll be nice and cheap. But anyway, beautiful day for riding. I'm about to get on the highway now and head home. I'm starving. I've got about a 30-minute ride ahead. And yeah, clock in soon. Should be a nice little hit now. I can open the bike now that I've had the first service. Follow up on that video. You know, some of it wasn't that clear, so I just thought I'd summarise exactly where I ended up. So I took the bike in for its first service, had that done without a problem. I got the rack and the pillion backrest. It was really, really tight. The guys were fantastic. They adjusted that. So that just comes on off really easily now. There was something to do with the washer. It had the wrong washer in there. Must have been from factory. Anyway, that was that. We had endless problems. As you probably heard me say, in relation to the handlebars, and we solved the problem. I shot out to Harley-Heaven out at Blacktown. That was all sorted. It's about an 8-hour job. They do have the bars in stock, which is awesome. There's a bunch of other cables, extension cables and the like that are required, so they've got to order a few of those in. So I'm hoping that they'll have those in the next couple of days, which will be awesome. And I might be able to have my new bars on the bike maybe in the next 4 days, 4 or 5 days. The dealership that I'm having them fitted at is not near me, so don't know what to do there. Apparently they don't do loan bikes. Harley-Davidson, why don't you do loan bikes? I don't know. But anyway, we'll work around that. So that's that. I've got the new mic, so I'm actually recording now with the new mic. It's the Rode Lava mic or whatever it's called. Just to give you guys some better audio listening, background noise, echoing and all that sort of stuff. So I hope there's a little bit of difference in that. And countdown to Christmas. Just got back to the man cave. Had to zip out, grab an extension or a cable for this mic. And Santa's already been, would you believe? You know, it's fucking 3 days before Christmas and Santa's been. The man cave's a dumping ground, apparently. Anyway, we will live with it. We'll live with it. Countdown to Chrissy's on.